yourself in a simple and practical way, even if you are a beginner. Oh, but I don't. But I don't have time. The course is available for 1 year, and you can watch it whenever you want. But I don't even know how to use the brushes. Don't worry. You will learn from absolute zero. But is there a monthly fee? No. Payment is unique and with the certificate included. Press play and watch the video to learn more about the ebook. No more getting lost watching videos and tutorials on the internet. There are already more than 80,000 students, with more than 99% satisfaction. Click on the button below to purchase for only $19. Click here to order now. Checkout safe. Satisfaction guaranteed. Privacy protected. How the ebook works. Perfecting and finishing techniques. The practice of auto makeup. Guidelines for all skin types. I'll show you the secret for you to achieve an impeccable finish on your makes. You'll learn how to be aware, from cleaning to lash gluing, so that you can clearly perceive. No more being in doubt about which foundation color to choose or which formula is best for your skin type, be it acneic, dry, oily or mixed. Colorimetry and color circle. Recommendation of best types of products. Stop making mistakes in your skin tone and undertone. Get to know the dynamics of colors and make makeup more attractive and harmonic. Learn how to buy the best makeup without investing an absurd amount of money for it. 100% book online. Read from anywhere and anytime. Released 24h/day. Read from anywhere and anytime. Access for 1 year. Read from anywhere and anytime. Unconditional 60-day guarantee. I truly believe in the transformative power of the method. That's why I offer you this 60 days guarantee, and if you don't like it, I'll refund your entire investment. Click on the button below to purchase for only $19. Click here to order now. Checkout safe. Satisfaction guaranteed. Privacy protected. Privacy policy.